Over half of nurses who recently left their direct patient care roles said that no work-life balance was a top factor in their decision to leave. Fortunately, the right scheduling technology can help organizations avoid burnout and turnover, boost collaboration and morale, and reduce overtime. Introducing Schedule Management, the software solution that can eliminate hours of phone calls and empower your staff to take charge of the scheduling process. Join me for a quick tour. Ditch the spreadsheets, save time, reduce administrative burden, simplify scheduling, and improve the bottom line with the next-generation, fully mobile scheduling and OpenShift management application. With 24/7 access to view and proactively manage staffing schedules system-wide, stay informed with real-time analytic insights wherever you are. You'll have an instant up-to-the-minute view of staffing situations with Inovalon's Power Scheduler, which quickly helps you identify overtime and understaffed or overstaffed shifts so you can take action. Make OpenShift management headaches a thing of the past. Quickly broadcast OpenShift needs and announcements to qualified staff via text, email, or both. Instantly view and respond to staff requests on the go via our highly rated mobile application or on your computer. With access to staff health metrics and top-of-class analytics into trends, Schedule Management empowers healthcare providers to deliver best-in-class care by helping streamline and automate the scheduling process, enabling them to proactively manage overtime and avoid burnout and turnover. With Schedule Management, your staffing data is no longer buried in spreadsheets or lost on paper, but is put to work for you, supporting data-driven and effective staffing decisions. Ready to create a better healthcare scheduling experience, one that leads to happier staff and enhanced patient care? Learn more about Schedule Management. Visit our website at www.inovalon.com or call 301-809-4000 to speak with one of our experts.